What's making Food Forum unique is that the lines are short between the farmer, the guest and the chef. My name is Sharon de Miranda. I am chef-cook of the pavilion of this Food Forum, and it was a dream come true. As a chef, I stand for to use only local products. The things that I use are from the province of Flevoland. People assume that I'm not Dutch, but what is Dutch? That's the same thing how people see food. Why Dutch food has to be a potato. It could be rice with a bit of spices in it. I have a dish that I'm most proud of, local quinoa from the Netherlands with soya beans. And people are like, wow, is this from Holland? And I say, yes, it is. And that's something that makes me very proud. The team of Floriade is feeding the city and growing green cities. That's why Food Forum is perfect to fit in that concept.